Welcome बच्चों. How are you all? Welcome to Alphabells Star TV. And today we are here to learn alphabets A, B, C, D. Okay? Hope you all doing good? All fine? Yes, chalo good. First we learn some colors which we are using today. This is pink color. This is sea green, blue, brown, and this is purple. Very good. So we start with sea green, and first alphabet is A. A for aeroplane. B. B for boy. B for boy. C. C. C for church. C for church. D. D for duck. E. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for girl. G for girl. H. H. H for hut. H for hut. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. It's K. K for kettle. L. L for lock. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for ox. It's P. P for parrot. It's Q. Q. Q for queen. R. R. R for rabbit. S. S for stamp. It's T. T for telephone. U. U for universe. V. V for van. W. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree, and today is Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. It's Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Okay children, so just revise this alphabets, like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Meet you next video. Till then, take care and bye.